Hey WordPress developers, this is a short video in the series of as I'm working with ACF fields and custom post types and conditionals using the Gutenberg Block Editor. So that's my goal, is not to get into the PHP templates. So here's a project type, so it's a custom post type, and some of the hundreds of posts will have a gallery of images. And so what I want to have is that it follows this format if it's just content, and that it adds a middle column when there are images in the gallery. So this is the field group from ACF. And so I'm using ACF Pro, and you can see I have many fields in my field group, and one of them is called Feature Project Details, and it's a group. So then within that group I have subfields, and so I have a whole bunch of subfields here, and one of those subfields is the project gallery. So basically I want the conditional to say, if this project in this custom post type has anything in the project gallery, then show it in this column. So how I would do that is I would go in to my template. So I have this template page. I keep being in the way here. All right, so in this template page, I have this column. So here's the column. And I have an edit visibility, which is the Conditional Blocks plugin for this column. So if I come into edit visibility, what I was able to do is use the post meta. So I didn't use the special ACF field because I wanted to get in two layers. So I have the ACF field and the subfield. So how I find this meta key is I look in ACF and I look at the first field, so my actual group field, and it is Feature Project Details, right? And I can copy it right from there. So that is Feature Project Details. Then I put an underscore, and now I'm going to use the field name for that subcategory. So if I look here, that subfield is called Project Gallery, so I can copy it right there. And now it's underscore project gallery. So that's the post meta key that I need to get into this ACF field. And then basically I'm saying, if it's not empty, then I want to show this field. All right, so let's take a look. So here's a project, and right now it is empty, so it's not showing that field. If I come into edit project, and I have this add to gallery. So I'm going to go add to gallery. Here's an image that's already associated with this post. I'm going to say select, and I'm going to say update. And now if I click on this post, we have the image in the middle, right? So that conditional is working. It's saying, yes, there is something in the gallery. So now I am showing this conditional block. If I were to look at a different project, nothing there because there's no image. All right, so hopefully that helps how you can use the Gutenberg Block Editor templates and the Conditional Blocks plugin to be able to decide when you're showing certain content and when you're not. So if you found this helpful, feel free to subscribe. This channel has many WordPress development, all kinds of website and graphic design videos. So if that's what you're interested in, we'd be happy to have you subscribe. All right, good luck.